How to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device. Now tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen and then tap on the iCloud option and then tap on the See All option. Here you will see the option for passwords and keychain. Tap on that and make sure the Sync This iPhone toggle button is enabled. Now, go back and open the Passwords application and when prompted, enter your biometrics or passcode. Once entered, tap on the search bar there and search for Apple ID and then tap on the Apple ID whose password you are looking forward to. And now, in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Passwords option and you will be able to view your Apple ID password. So this is how you can see your Apple ID password on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.